Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 is turned on and ready to go. You will also need to have your Xfinity Wi-Fi network name and password handy, as these are crucial for establishing the connection. Confirm your Xfinity router is powered on and actively broadcasting its Wi-Fi signal before proceeding with the setup process. From your PlayStation 5's main screen, find and select the Settings icon, which looks like a gear, in the upper right-hand corner. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down and choose the Network option. This will open all the necessary network configuration settings where we can begin to set up your Wi-Fi connection with Xfinity. In the network settings, select Set up Internet Connection. Next, choose Wi-Fi as your connection method, then locate and select your specific Xfinity Wi-Fi network name from the displayed list of available networks. Once selected, carefully input your Wi-Fi password, ensuring there are no typing errors, and then confirm your entry to proceed with the connection. Generally, your PlayStation 5 should connect automatically after you enter the password. If it doesn't connect, double-check that you entered the Wi-Fi password correctly and that your Xfinity router is fully operational. For persistent issues, or if you are an advanced user, you might consider setting a manual DNS server, such as Google's 8.8.8.8, in the advanced settings to potentially improve stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.